Blessings, 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 people. I'm sure by now you know everybody has been talking about controversial pastor Kevin Smith, Montego Bay, who passed in a accident a few days ago. So just a follow up on some of the latest information. Up until this point, there's still been no report on the actual cause of the accident. Now, the police finally come out and said that the accident involved the white pickup truck. The white pickup truck collided with the car to cause the accident. And additional information is that his family members and lawyer have not been able to see the body or identify the body, which is kind of mysterious right there. Okay, but a little information on what took place the day before all of this, or the start of all of this. A young guy says that he was actually in the church with him, and this started around 9:30 that day. And he said what happened was the pastor sent out a Facebook message that the flood was coming and everybody should rush to the ark being the church. Who didn't make it to the ark would not be saved. So that's the reason why the young man ran to the church, because he's saying he wanted to be saved because he believed this man was God. Okay, because he kept telling everybody he is God. Everybody in the church, that is. Alright? Who believed him stayed, continued. He said a lot of people left the church, but a lot as in 15 to 20% of the people of the church, not more than that. Alright? So at least 80% of the people remained in the church with him once he started talking in the sense that he is God. Alright? Now, when he sent out this Facebook post, this is something he's been warning everybody that it is gonna happen soon. So everybody have been kind of on the lookout for this from him. Alright? So he sent out this information, and everybody, dropped everything what they were doing and ran to the church. Or whoever heard about it, whenever they got the message, they headed for the church. Now, the young man said, once the pastor said that everybody didn't show up to the church when he sent out, this call on Facebook, he was mad as heck in there, tearing up the place, mashing up wine bottle, mashing up chairs, he was going crazy. And funny enough, the people that he was going after, to dirt, are the people that he have control of their life insurance. These people, I don't know how they were drawn in, because in my previous video I was thinking a lot of these people, or the majority of these people, were just people that were uneducated or low degree of education and easily manipulated. But it turns out that's not the case. You understand? You have police officers, you have soldiers, you have it's a lot of people associated with this man. Politicians, who knows who, who knows who from what parts of society. This is something that should open people's eyes. You understand? This should open people's eyes. A lot of these so-called, pastors, they're just in it for the money. They use the Bible. They know the Bible inside out. Alright? They know what to tell you and what to say to you. You understand? Because they know the Bible so much. You understand? But the end part of this is, it's all about money for them. You understand? If you're in a church and everything comes down to money. For example, this guy, he told them that every June of every year, they're supposed to give him whatever money they make for that entire month. not June, I'm sorry, January of every year, they're supposed to give him all the money they make for that month. You understand? No matter how much money you make, you understand? It could have been $50,000, $100,000, $1,000,000. Whatever money you make for that month, he's supposed to get it. Or the church. But the church is him. Right? Now, on top of that, he's collecting offerings 2 and 3 times at each service. I hear this man dress to the T. You understand? Live in the fanciest house. Mansion on top of that. Not house. Mansion. You understand? Drive brand new what they say, X6 BMW. Not even drive, chauffeured. You understand? It's crazy. It's crazy. Come on. People, if you belong to a church and everything in that church revolve around money, everything comes down to money, run. Get away from that church or that pastor. You understand? The man is just simply in it, or was in it for himself. I don't know, I guess, here he has some kind of degrees in psychology and stuff like that. But still, you can't make, I don't know. If you're in a situation and you, in your mind, something is telling you this is not right or something wrong, yeah, so go with your mind. Follow your mind. And that's why if you have doubt about something, follow your mind or question it. So I say. But a lot of these people was just going along blindly. Now the young man say that the reason why he did believe this man was God, or this man was real, is that him said the man performed several miracles. Now the miracle where him said the man performed, and make people who can't talk, people who couldn't walk, and bring back somebody that died, somebody passed out in the church, and him, the pastor, say that the person died and he will bring the person back. And him say after half an hour or so, him bring the person back to life. So the person that was talking to the young man asked him, any of these people, you know them from the church to be sick? And the young man said, no, they're all people that come to the church to be healed. So then them ask him, so how you don't know is the pastor, put up all of them to do it? So him say, well, at the time, everything was so convincing, he wasn't even thinking that way. You understand? Because him say, him been in the church from he was 9. So that's the only life he know, is that church life there. This young man is 18 now. You understand? So if him been in this church from 9 till 18, that's 9 years of this man in him head, and the rest of people in that church. You understand? Him say some of these people give all them money to the church, or whatever money them can, or spare money what them have left, them give to the church. So them not have no savings, them not have nothing. You understand? So after that, them have to go to friends and family and a beg. Alright? Because them give away everything what them have to this man. Alright? People, if we're in a them kind of situation, them I tell them, say, run. Run. Don't walk. Run. Now look back. Stay away from them kind of people. So, don't know. Don't know. And the other thing with the lawyer saying that they haven't seen the body, to what I'm hearing is possibly that they moved the body to a secure location because the own church members them want to go and get this man's body. For do what with, God knows. You understand? This man go in at them head, mash up them finances, and yet still in debt, them still a run behind this man. Them must believe so them still a come back to life. You get me? Them people are gone. You understand? Them gone. You know? The one them where wake up and realize, what take place. Thank God for them one day. But the rest of them, boy, look like it's a hopeless case. For real, it look like it's a hopeless case. But people, like me I say, stay tuned, you know, like, share, and subscribe. You understand? Bless up. Take care.